Today I discuss about the 6-month baby's diet chart after rice ceremony. Let's see. We introduce soft, simple homemade foods along with breast milk or formula milk. At this age, baby food should be smooth, thin and easy to digest. Main rule: 6 months. Breast milk or formula milk is still the main food. Start solid 1 to 2 times daily, small quantity. Base diet for 6-month baby after rice ceremony: rice or cereal, plain rice or water, soft mashed rice with warm water, rice plus dal water, very thin. Start with 2 to 3 spoon only. Dal, lentils, moong dal water best for starting. Later, thin moong dal khichdi, well cooked, vegetable, well cooked and mashed. Start one vegetable at a time: carrot, pumpkin, potato, bottle gourd, sweet potato. Boil plus mash plus make smooth puree. Fruits: soft and mashed, banana mashed, apple puree, boiled apple, papaya ripe and mashed, pear puree. Simple baby khichdi best. After few days of starting solid rice and moong dal, little vegetable cooked very soft and mashed properly. Sample daily food schedule: 6 month. Morning breast milk or formula milk, breakfast rice water or mashed banana, afternoon breast milk or formula milk, large moong dal water, thin khichdi, evening breast milk or formula milk, dinner vegetable puree, rice plus dal water, night breast milk or formula milk. How much to feed? Start with 2 to 3 teaspoon, then slowly increases to 2 to 3 teaspoon as baby aspect. Important tips: give one new food for 3 days to check allergy. Food should be no salt, no sugar. Always feed with spoon, not bottle. Keep food fresh and warm. Baby must sit with support while feeding. Avoid this food 6 months. Honey, cow milk as main drink, salt, sugar, biscuit, tea, juice, packet food, nut, grapes, popcorn. It can be choking risk and spicy and oily food.